Okay, here we are in the goat shed today. It's Friday the 13th, and pretty much we've just finished this Rio Playmatic pinball machine made in Spain. It's roughly 16 degrees outside, a quite pleasant winter's day. Not long to go till spring now, which will be on the 1st of September for those people overseas. So what we've now done, if anyone has been watching our videos, you'll notice that the targets from left to right, the one on the far right is original, the other three were actually broken. So we've actually replaced them, and they have a little cup on the back. We're going to post pictures of those in the on our page. We also, when we got the machine, where that metal arch is, there was actually a rubber that had broken, understandably so, because the ball comes out of the shooter lane here. It's one of those half Playfield shooter lanes, and whacks clean into it. Someone had put a post in there at one stage of the game, but we had a bit of a search around. It's not exactly the right one, but it'll do. So we've cleaned the Playfield up. She's come up quite nicely. Now, let me show you something on these Playmatics, and just remember they're the Gottlieb pop bumpers we put in. Let me show you something on these Playmatic games. Let's watch the reset. Now, these are very weird the way they reset. It'll start off at player 4, player 3, player 2, player 1. Then what they call the ball control unit will kick up 1 and kick the first ball out for player 1. Here it goes, you watch. Ball in the shooter lane. So that's quite, I don't know, unique possibly. We have seen another machine, I think AMI Hot Race, that resets in a rather odd way as well. Actually, we're supposed to have another one of those coming in the goat shed soon. Now, we showed a photo of it playing the other day, so we won't bother doing that again. We had a few problems on this machine. We had the problems with the ball unit, as they call it. It was actually a mechanical problem, and we also had a few problems in the score motor with switches a bit misadjusted. These, oddly enough, use stack 3 in the score motor, level C for the motor run-out switch, which I find quite odd. And we had a problem with that motor sort of not running really well. Anyway, we worked that out pretty quickly. It's very cool the way these things match. There are no match lights in this game. What you have is this match feature unit, so that's covered up so you can't see what it's going to match on, and that advances. I think there's 3 things that make that advance in this machine. One of them is even the bonus unit. There's a switch on the bonus unit that makes that advance. So it's just like a score reel in the back. I think we showed that once before. That's it there, just like a little score reel, and that steps around, because these use like Williams type score reels, as previously mentioned. You've got a Williams type score reel, earlier Williams type score reel. You have Gottlieb type steppers. There's the replay unit, which is like a design of a Gottlieb, but they've used their own metal, and the same with the steppers inside. Anyway, that's the story on Playmatic. This is it from the side. Look at that, made in Spain. There's the artwork. The cabinet's not in bad shape all round. So we hope this gives you an insight into these weird and wonderful beasts made in Spain. And we hope you like our video and give us the thumbs up, and we'd like to see you subscribe to our channel. We've got more repair videos coming up soon. So this has been another Goat Shed presentation.